Yo, what's going on, peeps? The boy Kriese signing in with another video. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys what I did to bring a little bit more flavor to my engine bay compartment area, okay? A little paint action going on today. So I'll be showing you guys what I did with that. And I'll also be including parts of me upgrading the interior trim of my vehicle, because I actually upgraded the auxiliary gauges and then the bezel trim in the vehicle. I did that some time ago, but I forgot to make a video about it. So I'll be including that process in this video too. Okay, let's get into it. Doing right now, guys, is just pretty much cleaning and prepping the engine cover before I paint it, and the fuse box cover. Okay, now how I'm going to do this one, this is going to be a little bit easier to do because obviously I'm going to just clean it off, prep it, sand it a little bit. Obviously you want the paint to stick on there, but I'm going to just cover the whole thing, paint this whole thing white. Now with this engine cover, I'm going to kind of clean this off, prep it and everything. Then I'm going to go ahead and mask it. And what I'm thinking about doing is, if you guys can kind of see this and visualize this, these little hooks right here, this part, it's like 6 of them. So this top area right here and going down, so it's like almost like the like a C-shaped. I'm going to mask that off, right? And I'll show a video of it too. I'm going to mask these 6 pieces off, because I still want that to remain black. I'm going to also mask these 6 stripes off right here. Or is it? Yeah, 6 stripes, right? Mask that off because I still want that to be black. But everything you see is going to be white. And I'm going to white out this gold Chevy emblem right there, okay? Got everything on the workbench, pretty much. Got the bezel, gauge bezel right here. Got the Indass Metra kit and the auxiliary gauges. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a good sanding. Pretty much, I'm not gonna sand this guy. I'm gonna just clean it real well before I paint it, and I'm not gonna sand this either. Just like I said, clean any debris off and before I actually paint it. But I am gonna obviously mask off all of these buttons with the Indass right there. So. Okay, but I am going to sand this because this was already in pretty bad shape. So I'm going to go ahead and sand this before I paint it and clean it up real well, and go ahead and mask all the lenses on the gauge. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Got everything sanded, prepped, and ready to spray right now. Okay. the truth, guys. Da, da, da. So what you guys think, man? So that's it, guys. I really think that me painting that fuse box cover and the engine cover, and you know, taping it off and masking it off where I got the black accents, I really think that brought the engine bay area out real nice. Come here, baby. Grab her real quick, honey. We finna get her opinion and see what she thinks, guys. Gotta wash her, but it's all right. So, honey, what do you think, honey? Be honest. What do you think of it? You think I need to paint that strut tower brace too white?
No.
You think it'll be all right like that?
Maybe.
Huh? It's all right. Huh? Put it down. Yeah. And my daughter, she crying. She being bratty right now, but it's all right. We finna go for a bike ride. Trying to get the get my queen's opinion on this real quick before we close this video out. But I think she looks real nice, man. Gosh. And again, I got the Olympia white. That's the best match to the white of the car that I could find. So what do you think? You think I should paint that strut tower brace? Because what I was initially thinking about doing was, see how I got a lot of scratches on these strut towers? That came from just over time and whatnot. So what I'm gonna do is mask it off, paint the top of them, paint this white, like this bracket area right here, but then probably paint this like a black or something. So it's like a two-tone, you know? Something, yeah. All right, guys, we're about to close this one out. Catch you guys on the next one.